but start thinking about when you get to X, think about doing a half turn to the left so that we end up going on left right. Because we don't have to stay on the circle. Right. So how was that different? What did you do?
I stayed loose in my seat. That was the biggest difference.
And what else did you notice? What about how much time what your expectation was as far as when things had to happen?
Right. It was a little slower.
Yeah. So let's go out in a circle. Things go sideways, I'll follow you. And we'll do the same thing. Because I think, you've got enough of a pattern and a history together that, and so when, if she's not going where you think she should go, don't let that, think about, keep releasing, and then asking again, but not adding more. And think of your whole, your whole bubble and her bubble coming together and turning at the same time. Adding, yes. Does it think that is? So I think over time, continuing back after a break,
Yeah.
you have a little bit of, I don't know how to word it, a little bit of toxic buildup.
Okay.
Where things happen right away and they trigger you, right? So you're doing great in not letting it trigger you. You're catching it and you're saying, I'm not going to react to that. I'm going to wait and I'm going to feel and see where it goes.
Right.
And that's where her stepping gets more fluid and your arc is more soft. And you're staying more inhabited. And you're staying more in both bubbles.
Sure.
That makes sense? Another half turn where you can go for your shape. And then you're turning a little bit of a step with every step of the front feet. Different?
Yes, different.
And if you have a uh-oh moment, exhale. And pause. Not stop, but pause your brain and let it have time to let your body adjust and catch up. Rather than your brain trying to fix things right away. Because then your brain gets disconnected from your body.
Yeah.
And then that's when things go a little sideways. So think of a little, again, half. Little bits, you're turning each front foot a little bit. And a little bit. You got on. Was it easy? Super. And then breathe out.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a new. Sure. 10 under 10 or 11.
So I think the idea is sort of adding a what can you do, what can you not do. And pausing your thinking,
Yeah.
find the whole bubble. Think about all of you and all of her coming around together. And that each step is a little piece. She can't go from here to over there in one step. She has to make several little increments to get there, right? And that's where if you get looking kind of over your shoulder or you get looking too far ahead, you forget about all
Yeah.
all the little pieces. And then pretty soon you'll connect all of the little pieces to what's happening and your bubble and how, the ease that you're having. And then you'll be able to go back to looking further ahead, but having that whole fluidity come with you. But you kind of got to back up, catch when you're in the habit of wanting to do more, and when wanting to do more derails it more, what that does to anxiety and tension and stress and unraveling, right? And then you're more chaotic in yourself and and you're not able to help with the solution. So the emphasis is on dialing back. You know, the minute that something starts to go sideways, you know, take something away rather than add something. That I think was big, and the finding the whole expanse of your bubble. I mean, your bubble is first you know, if you're tight, you're going to be closing in around the center, around your spine, kind of. Everything comes in all the way around. So the first thing you want to do is find that you expand to fill your whole physical container. That you can lengthen out and press up against the inside of what I'm touching on the outside. Okay? And then it goes to your field, which there's three basic ones. One is about this close to you as far as energy. Another one is about here, and another one is way out here. So first is finding your whole container, and that will, in and of itself, will change a lot. But then if you can get to consistently ride within your bigger bubble, and then touch bases with hers and let them melt together, and think of that as a unit thing, I think a lot will change. But give yourself time to process all that stuff. Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I will do all the rest of this so that you have questions.
No. No questions.
I mean, we should do this again, because what I like about it is that we're attached, but I certainly have all the leeway to either help her or not, and in not helping and following, and having you take away what, you know, things really lined out well.
Yeah.
And then when you started thinking of turning the whole bubble and each step being a little bit of the piece, things really changed.
Yeah.
Things got really smooth. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Good.
I can kind of do all this business.
I don't know if you want to keep going or not.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna stop
Sometimes
for
there's the quit while you're ahead and let it all sink in.
Well, I think that based on how my emotional reaction can sometimes get, if I'm a little ahead, it's a good place
Yeah,
to start.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Especially with coming back. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. I'll give you this. if you
Yeah.